In this video, we will show you how to replace your vehicle's battery on this Ford F-150 with a 5.4-liter engine. This will be located along the passenger side of your engine compartment. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Locate the battery along the passenger side of the engine compartment. We're going to start by disconnecting our negative battery terminal from the battery itself. For this, we're just using an 8mm wrench. Loosen the mounting nut just enough that you can remove the terminal end from the battery. Now, once we have that off of there, we're just going to give it a quick inspection. We will be cleaning this during the installation process. We'll set it aside for now. Repeat the process for the positive terminal. That looks good. Set both of these aside. Most times you'll find that you have a battery protective tray over this, so we'll just go ahead and remove that now. Now continuing on, you're going to find that you have a battery hold down along the inboard side of the battery here. All the way down along the battery tray, this is where the hold down is. We're using an 8mm for the mounting bolt. There's our bolt and our hold down. Just a quick inspection of each of those, replace them as necessary. Take hold of the battery and carefully lift it up and out of position. There it is, friend. Okay, friend, it's time to install our battery. Prior to installing the battery into the vehicle, I always like to clean each one of my two terminal ends. We need to confirm we're going to have good contact. For this, I'm using a battery brush. Those look good. Now it's time for each one of our two battery terminal end wires. We'll start with the positive. Once again, I'm just using my battery brush. Now, when installing the battery, we want to carefully install it into the battery tray first. We'll continue on with our battery hold down. Now, as for the battery hold down, if you're looking along the sides of it, you're going to find that one side has the two circular slots, the other side does not. We'll have the flat side facing towards the battery and the circular slots facing out towards the engine. For my battery hold down bolt, I always like to use some anti-seize on these. It's pretty common for them to get rusted and stuck in place. Let's try to avoid that. Once you have the battery hold down bolt started in, go ahead and snug it up. Take hold of the battery, attempt to remove it from the battery tray. It should not move around. That can be potentially very dangerous. Now that we're sure that that's properly secured, we're going to continue on with our protective cover, assuming you have one. That should just slide right down into place. It's time for the positive terminal end. We'll take that and slide it down onto the battery as far as possible. Once you have it pressed on there, use your 8mm to tighten the mounting nut. Okay, right there's bottomed out. Just take it a tiny bit further, double check to make sure it's properly secured, protect the area. Moving along, we're going to do the exact same thing for the negative battery terminal. We'll get that in place, press it on, tighten the mounting nut. Bottomed out. Tiny bit further, confirm it's secure. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our vehicle's battery. The next thing you have to do is hop in the passenger compartment, attempt to start the vehicle several times, confirming everything functions as it should. Assuming it does, go ahead and close the hood and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.